Today on Make Shape Crate, we're doing drill bit and clamp storage and trying to clean a little bit. Probably isn't going very well. Hey guys, I'm Cory, this is Make Shape Crate, and our shop's a mess. It's bad. So, as I'm sure you guys know, we don't make any money doing this. This is just for fun, and we have full-time jobs. So, don't always have time to clean up between projects, and it's starting to show. So today we're going to try to get this place cleaned up. Got some ideas for some better organization of stuff versus the pegboard. We're still going to use that, but try to utilize some space better. So yeah, let's get started. Ladies and gentlemen, who graced us with their presence.
Hi guys.
How long has it been since we've seen her in a video? She didn't like us no more, guys.
That's not it.
She's redoing the board. If you saw the the video where we moved into this shop. She's the one who did this board originally.
And he messed it up.
And I've done a horrible job. So she's redoing it because it's driving her crazy.
It's really dusty.
Well, because we build stuff in here.
Well, I know that.
If you were in here on a regular basis, you would know that. See how she is, guys? All right, back to it. Alright guys, so this place is a lot better than it was. Thank you for your help, honey.
No problem.
Maybe we'll get her on videos more. Comment down below if you miss Jess. Anyway guys, there's gonna be a playlist of videos up here about all the stuff we've done in this shop. There's gonna be something Google thinks you might like. I don't know if they will. Hopefully you do. And we'll see you on the next video. I got an idea for the next one. Maybe something with alcohol.
Oh, that sounds like fun.
Maybe it's a tease. See you guys in the next one.
Bye.